My name is Krishnali Uras Savde. My school name is Nandini Vamanrao Mulinche Vidyalaya. I am learning in 9th standard division B. I am talk about general science topic evolution. It is simplification to know how life came to existence of low development into a variety of forms that are exacting today. In olden days, two theories were placed as a regard to organism of speech, spont generation and spice creation. According to the hypotenuse of status generation, the life stompology from the non-living matter. According to the hypotenuse of spatial creation, all organisms believed to be created to once and invented by the supplementary power. In the same from which we see the today, they unchanged since their organism. In other words, these theories do not believe evolution process. Man includely thinking, however, on our such fanatics ideas and gave birth to the concept of evolution. Organic evolution is defined the process of gradual and a orderly change in the organism, which lead of a development of complication spice from the pickeries simple one day of gradual structure modification through age. In other words, all organisms of today have discrete from practicing simply one to taste. In the word of evolution started the word organism with from you the process of evolution going on the event today and will continue in future till it end of the earth. The theory of organic evolution is a scientific observation based on the fact and induction. Science has a turned to virus source and obtained the evolution for organic evolution. The concept of organic evolution can be explained with the reference to pollution. Follules are the impurities and remain a assistant. From the sedimentary rocks, they are called to the surveyed in a soil. The study these follules called earth and form a different layer a strata. It is a observer layer is the oldest show follows the oldest man. The umpolis layer, the latest which show the fools of the recent animals and plants. The archaeological record replaces a remind to the organisms show that allows pestara of the earth show simple organism their beginning no falls of bird of mammals in the deeper layer of earth's crust. The falls of reptiles and the birds are seen only the upper layers of the earth crust. This shows that a primitive organism were very simple earth from which a gradual structure modification the present day complex animal evolved, which is a accordance with the theory of organisms evolution. The the pedigree of horse, the pedigree of the assistant history of horse shows that a modern graceful horse evolution from some dog-like animal with the toys of gradual increase in height, decreases in number of the show than below. Fools record a real lizards interaction like slings or lizard bird. Reflection of the birds of induction in that the have the false record how many direct and the comparison show which is a group. Thank you.